Ecuador is one of the world's leading producers and exporters of premium yellow dragon fruit. Yellow dragon fruit is native to northern South America and thrives naturally in warm tropical and subtropical environments. Traditional cultivation practices have been refined with modern horticultural science to improve fruit quality and yield. Major export destinations include North America, Europe, and Asia because of the fruit's exceptional sweetness. A mature plantation typically reaches full commercial production about 3 to 5 years after planting. Site selection and field preparation usually take 2 to 8 weeks before planting. Flowering plants around orchards can attract pollinators and natural predators that help reduce harmful insect populations. Selection of propagation material typically requires 1 to 3 days. Stem cuttings are usually taken from mature, disease-free plants with several healthy nodes. Growers commonly cure cuttings in the shade for 5 to 10 days, so the cut surface forms a protective callus before planting. Planting is completed in 1 to 2 days for a typical nursery batch. Root initiation generally begins within 2 to 4 weeks after planting. Visible new shoots usually appear within 3 to 6 weeks. Young plant establishment typically requires 3 to 6 months. Nursery care continues for approximately 4 to 8 months before field establishment. Only vigorous, disease-free plants with strong root systems are selected for transplanting. Field establishment generally takes 1 to 3 months. Rapid vegetative growth continues for 6 to 12 months. Fertilization is repeated throughout the growing season, according to soil and plant needs. First flowering commonly begins 12 to 18 months after planting from healthy stem cuttings, depending on growing conditions. Each flower remains fully open for approximately 8 to 12 hours. Bees, moths, and in some regions, bats contribute to pollination, while some farms also use careful hand pollination. Fruit set becomes visible within 5 to 10 days after pollination. Fruit development usually takes 30 to 50 days after successful pollination. Harvest generally begins about 35 to 50 days after flowering, depending on climate and variety. Each ripe yellow dragon fruit is harvested carefully by hand to protect its delicate skin and preserve premium quality. Harvest workers avoid stacking fruit too high to minimize bruising during field collection. Commercial harvest operations may continue for several weeks, depending on flowering cycles. Uniform color, healthy skin, proper size, and freedom from damage are important quality standards for export fruit. Transport from field to packing facility is ideally completed within a few hours after harvest. Early morning harvesting helps maintain fruit freshness and reduces heat stress during handling. Inspectors look for uniform color, healthy skin, proper maturity, and freedom from mechanical damage. Damaging stems during harvest can reduce future productivity by affecting new flowering sites. Harvest completion may require 2 to 6 weeks, depending on flowering cycles and plantation size. Post-harvest processing ideally begins within a few hours after field harvest. Sorting removes damaged or undersized fruit before grading and packaging. Food-grade washing systems help improve cleanliness while protecting the fruit's delicate skin. Export fruit is commonly graded by size, appearance, maturity, and external condition. Ventilated cartons improve airflow and help reduce moisture accumulation during shipment. Cold storage may preserve market quality for 2 to 4 weeks, depending on storage conditions and handling. Export preparation is typically completed within 24 hours after packing. International transportation may take several days to several weeks, depending on destination. Bright, golden skin with slight softness usually indicates a ripe yellow dragon fruit ready to enjoy. The small black seeds are edible and provide healthy fats, fiber, and additional nutrients. Yellow dragon fruit provides vitamin C, dietary fiber, magnesium, antioxidants, and abundant water that support a healthy, balanced diet. The first bite of ripe Ecuador yellow dragon fruit delivers a refreshing sweetness with delicate floral and honey-like notes. Its smooth flesh and tiny edible seeds create a pleasant texture that is both refreshing and satisfying. Yellow dragon fruit contains a high percentage of water, making it a refreshing fruit in warm climates. Dietary fiber promotes normal digestive function and can help support a healthy gut microbiome. Antioxidants such as vitamin C and other plant compounds help neutralize unstable molecules known as free radicals. Regular consumption as part of a healthy eating pattern may provide ongoing nutritional benefits. The fruit is commonly enjoyed fresh in smoothies, fruit salads, desserts, and refreshing beverages. Healthy yellow dragon fruit farms become vibrant ecosystems where beneficial insects, birds, and flowering plants coexist naturally. Drip irrigation delivers water directly to plant roots, reducing evaporation and improving water use efficiency. Global exports occur throughout the commercial harvest season, following careful post-harvest handling.
Here, take this one. I think it's perfectly ripe. Thank you. The harvest is good today.
Major dragon fruit producers include Ecuador, Colombia, Vietnam, Israel, and Malaysia, although different species and varieties are cultivated.
The vibrancy of the stem tells us a lot. See how the new growth emerges right here. And this flower, it will become the fruit we harvest next week.
Night blooms last approximately 8 to 12 hours. The complete production cycle, from propagation to mature commercial harvest, typically spans 18 months to 3 years.
Size doesn't always equal quality. While these look similar, this medium-sized fruit is perfectly ripe, guaranteeing sweetness and maturity.
The climbing framework develops steadily during the first 12 to 18 months after planting. Sugar accumulation increases rapidly during the final 2 to 3 weeks before harvest. Harvest festivals in many farming communities celebrate successful seasons and recognize the hard work behind every crop. New commercial plantings typically begin producing fruit within 18 to 24 months, reaching peak production after 3 to 5 years. Healthy commercial plantations can remain productive for 15 to 20 years or longer with excellent management. Ecuador's yellow dragon fruit reminds us that nature's greatest treasures are cultivated through knowledge, patience, and respect for the land.